In a world in which the wheels of invention never stop turning, Toyota has revealed its ambitious plan to reinvent the electric vehicle sector. The Japanese automotive giant is planning to launch an electric vehicle that will be driven by a cutting-edge solid-state battery. The company promises that the EV will have an astounding range of 1,200 kilometers and will only need 10 minutes to charge. This revolutionary innovation propels Toyota to the forefront of electric vehicle technology, exceeding even the well-known Tesla superchargers, which can charge a vehicle for a distance of 200 miles in only 15 minutes. In addition, Toyota is planning to include high-performance lithium-ion batteries in its next-generation electric vehicles by the year 2026. This will allow for acceleration of the charging process and a range of around 1,000 kilometers. As the landscape of the automobile industry continues to undergo transformations, Toyota's dedication to environmentally responsible innovation highlights a larger movement toward the fight against climate change and the advancement of sustainable development. Challenges to the limits of electric vehicle technology. In the automotive business, the unrelenting pursuit of innovation is shown by the audacious step made by Toyota to create an electric vehicle that has an incredible range and the capability to charge at a quick rate. In the realm of electric vehicles, this breakthrough marks a significant step forward thanks to the solid-state battery technology that powers it. Solid-state batteries are a game-changer in the field of electric mobility because of their increased energy density and safety. Thus, the accomplishment of Toyota breaks over the bounds of traditional constraints and represents a pivotal point in the development of electric vehicles. This automobile is more than simply a vehicle. It is a representation of what one can do when science and engineering work together to address the most serious problems of our day. While looking in the rearview mirror, Toyota is establishing a new benchmark for the industry with its impending electric vehicle, which will have a range of 1,200 kilometers and allow for a charge to be completed in only 10 minutes. At the moment, Tesla, which has been hailed for a long time as a pioneer in electric vehicle technology, provides superchargers that can charge an electric vehicle about 200 miles in 15 minutes. Despite the fact that Tesla has unquestionably been the driving force behind the transition toward electric transportation, Toyota's most recent product is designed to dramatically surpass the competition. This drive for longer range and quicker charging is not just a competition for dominance in the market. Rather, it represents a commitment to satisfying the rising demand for greener transportation choices and that we are making an effort to reduce our carbon footprint. A peek into the future of EVs. In the aftermath of Mercedes-Benz's unveiling of the EQXX concept vehicle, which is capable of traveling an astounding 1,000 kilometers on a single charge, Toyota has made a startling statement. This accomplishment was accomplished while traveling from Germany to the south of France, which included traveling at speeds of up to 140 kilometers per hour and experiencing a variety of weather conditions. The courageous pledge made by Mercedes-Benz to transition to a 100% electric fleet by the year 2030 is reminiscent of Toyota's commitment to the development of sustainable practices. In doing so, it highlights the collaborative reaction of the automobile sector to the grave climate problem and the requirement to cut emissions of greenhouse gases. The vision. While Toyota continues to push forward with its goal of an electric vehicle that transcends traditional boundaries, the automobile industry is on the verge of entering a new age that will be entirely transformational. Along with the goal of expanded ranges and quick charging, the introduction of solid-state batteries signifies a significant move toward transportation solutions that are more environmentally friendly and sustainable. When it comes to the issue of climate change, well-known automobile manufacturers such as Toyota and Mercedes-Benz are at the forefront of the movement, guiding mankind toward a more environmentally friendly future. As the future unfolds, these breakthroughs serve as rays of light in the battle against climate change, ushering in an age of transportation that is cleaner, more efficient, and friendlier to the environment, since they are environmentally friendly. Solid-state batteries. Experts in the industry believe that solid-state batteries are the most promising technology to address the challenges that are associated with electric vehicle batteries. Among them include the amount of time required for charging, the driving range, the capacity, and the potential for safety issues such as catching fire. The solid-state drive system is considered by some experts to be the kiss of death for gasoline and diesel-powered automobiles. At the anode, these batteries make use of lithium metal rather than graphite, and they remove the liquid electrolyte that was previously included in the battery. The solid-state battery that Toyota is developing is distinct from the liquid-based one that is already in use, and it has the potential to revolutionize the industry. Batteries that are made of solid-state materials have a high energy density, which means that they can store more energy while using fewer components. In most cases, they do not need any components that are harmful. Research has shown that this innovative technology has the potential to help reduce the negative effect that electric vehicle batteries have on the environment. In addition, batteries that are manufactured from materials that are procured in the most environmentally responsible manner have the potential to reduce carbon emissions by an additional 39%. The decrease in emissions is likely attributed to the simplification of manufacturing operations and the acceleration of charging delays. In addition, mining techniques that are more effective, such as the extraction of lithium from geothermal wells, may also contribute to a reduction in the negative effects on the environment. Solid-state batteries may need up to 35% more lithium than the lithium-ion technology that is already in use, but they require a far lower amount of cobalt and graphite, increasing the demand for higher quantities of lithium. By providing the impetus for the electric vehicle revolution, lithium, which is often referred to as white gold, is the unsung hero of the shift to sustainable energy. States and big electric vehicle manufacturers are frantically trying to get lithium. The demand for this essential mineral is expected to skyrocket to a level that is far greater than what is now anticipated if solid-state batteries come to dominate the market. The proposed batteries regulation for lithium in the European Union mandates the responsible procurement of the electric vehicle element as well as its recycling. In order to guarantee that there is sufficient lithium supply for solid-state batteries, the EU policy will be implemented. Manufacturers of electric vehicles in the United States are eligible for incentives under the Inflation Reduction Act if they get their batteries from free trade partners or from local suppliers. However, in order to satisfy the ever-increasing demand, the nation must increase the amount of lithium that is produced domestically. It is precisely in situations like these that rare lithium firms such as the American Lithium Corporation show their worth. There are two of the biggest lithium resources in the Americas that are owned by the firm. An industry expert believes that the most effective way to reduce the impact that solid-state batteries have on the environment is to enhance the processes that are used to collect and process the raw materials that are used in the production of these batteries, particularly lithium. The announcement that Toyota made about its solid-state battery did not provide important information, such as the battery's performance in low temperatures, its energy density, or the raw materials that it uses. By the year 2030, the massive automobile manufacturer intends to produce 3 million battery electric vehicles annually, with solid-state batteries accounting for 50% of the total. Therefore, will Toyota's breakthrough in battery technology prompt the company to take the initiative in the electric vehicle revolution? This is something that the industry has to keep an eye out for. The future is here. Particularly noteworthy is the fact that lithium-based battery technologies, more notably lithium nickel manganese cobalt and lithium iron phosphate, now manage to control about 90% of the market share. New technologies, such as solid-state batteries, have the potential to bring about significant improvements in terms of cost, size, and energy density. Toyota asserts that it has made a significant advancement in the field of solid-state battery technology and has set a goal to manufacture electric vehicles with a range of around 1,000 miles by the year 2026. So, the constant innovations that are taking place highlight the dynamic character of electric vehicle battery technology, which is continually improving accessibility and sustainability. As a result of their dedication to innovation, inventors of battery technology are now on a path that will lead to electric vehicles that are more environmentally friendly, cost-effective, and efficient. And that wraps things up. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.